Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful Education, an initiative, the Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. Thoughts on Education initiative is to enrich the user experience at collegedunia.com and try to bridge a long due gap between the vision of the management and the students. Today we have with us Professor Puspendu Biswas, HoD of Computer Engineering Department at Sanghavi College of Engineering. Welcome to the interview, sir.
Yes, I am Puspendu Biswas. So I am working as a head of the department in Sanghavi College of Engineering in Nashik. So originally I am from West Bengal. There I completed my master degree from Jadavpur University in 2007. And at that time I got the opportunity to work in the IT field. So that is in Hyderabad DE shop. So that I worked on for 1 year in the development field where I worked on as a software developer. So after that, my aim was to work in the teaching field, educational field. So for that reason, I came back to the Kolkata and I joined in the Calcutta Institute of Technology. And after that, I joined in Cambridge Institute of Technology. That is a very big group in West Bengal. So in that group, I worked on for nearly 2.5 years. And then I got the opportunity from the Nashik in Sanghavi College of Engineering. Here, I am working from last 10 years near around. So from 2012, and really I am happy that I am working over here and also continuing my PhD from KLU University, that is in Vijayawada, so that is Andhra Pradesh. So really I am happy that I got the opportunity to study from there because that is a very renowned university also, that is NAC A++ grade. So I will be very happy that if I get the opportunity like this and I can continue like this, so where I can explore myself and I want to see that our students will come to the very big post in IT companies, any other companies where they can do from their self, they can show that it is their brain or their capabilities in the business also. It is not like that everybody will come to the teaching field and everybody come to the IT field. It's not like that. Maybe possible some student can start their own business and they can develop so many softwares, so many problems they can solve from there also. So that type of thing they can rise. So they can do from their side. So everybody will be employed. So I need that every student should be employable. That is my main motive.
Right, sir. So should we start with the interview, sir?
Yes, you can start.
So, sir, my first question to you is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
Why I am in the education field? If you say in this way, so I will say, here is the chance where you can think yourself and whatever you are thinking, you can apply and you can test, you can check to the students, is it working or not? And whatever you already gained the knowledge, that knowledge you can share with the students and students can catch it up and they can apply in their career when they will come to some level and some topmost positions. At that time, it will be our happy. That time we will be happy that our students is really they are keeping well and they are doing well in the market and they are really employable. And these things will be happy, will keep me happy every time. So for that reason, I am here. So I want to see that students are happy and they are doing well because my happiness will come through that then on them only. So if they are happy, then I will be happy.
Right, sir. So, sir, moving to the next question. Being the HoD of Computer Engineering Department at Sanghavi College of Engineering, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
So, when you're talking about the roles and responsibilities, at that time, I will say, for a HoD, it is not like that you will just continue only the teaching field, you just continue whatever the things you have given for the teaching, you just teaching that part only. So it is not like that, so many things you have to take in care. So, but the thing is really right that the prime role of the head of the department is to provide the strong academic leadership. That is the first point. That I agree. And the second is that the head of the department is required to lead, manage and develop the department to ensure it achieves the highest possible standards and excellence in its all activities. That is the required. And the third point, if I go for them, at that time we can say that is the maintain the general discipline. That is a must thing. The discipline of the students and the staff who are working under me of the department. So to oversee the smooth functioning the department and ensuring the consistent provision of academic experience. That is the thing is needed. And the last point I will say that is the to manage and motivate all department staff to enable the students to receive the skilled education in the subject in a positive, encouraging and effective working environment.
Right, sir. So that's really great, sir. So, sir, moving to the next question, how does the curriculum of Sanghavi College of Engineering ensure that students are being prepared for the future?
There are so many things are going on in our college. They are encouraging the students. I already told you. So there are so many activities are there. Sometimes we are arranging so many workshops for the students. And sometimes students have some qualities we are giving the chance to explore. Suppose some students are saying that very expert in the photography. We are giving the chance to those students where they can show their photos, whatever they have already taken, already showed. So that photos can be explored, that can be sent by the other students. So other students will be motivated. It may be possible some students are very much interested in a drawing. So we are giving the chance to show their drawings. So in various fields, we are giving the chance, encouraging the students. It is not like that you are going to be an engineer. That is not the meaning that you will only in that part you can explore, you can give your brains. Not like that. If your expertise can be involved in any field. Whenever you are working, whenever you are any type of things you want to work on, in that field also you can input your knowledge, whatever you already gained from the classroom or from the teachers.
That's really great, sir. So, sir, and how do you try to bring in practical approach towards subject and make it industry oriented?
For the practical purpose, so many times already seen, the syllabus is not maintained. Sometimes it's not maintaining the things whatever required for the industry. But still now they are doing their best to prepare the syllabus in that their level. But sometimes it is happening that in 1 year or 2 years when the syllabus is not changing, at that time may be possible the company is rising in some other level. So in that time you have to catch it up some technological thing you have to know, by which the company when they will come for the interview purpose, they will come to take the students from us for campus purpose. At that time students should be knowing at least the basic knowledge of the new technologies. So for that reason what we are doing, sometimes we are taking from the outsource. Other teachers are coming from the other colleges and other companies, and the company people, what they are saying, they are delivering some lectures to our students and they're giving some workshops, some giving some tests, and they are taking from that. So by which what is happening, the students at least they are knowing about what is happening in the current market scenario. So it is in the freshers time, it is not needed that everybody should be expertise in their field, but at least they understand what is happening in the market, what is the technology is going on. So this type of thing we are arranging, and we are not taking the charges too much. Sometimes most of the time we are not taking any charges. Free of cost, we are giving the training to the students with the new technologies.
That's really great, sir. So, sir, I'm moving to the question related to the institute, that what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know now?
First thing in our college that is a more positive, that as a HoD of my department, what I am doing, every time I am not just following the syllabus and I have to go for the syllabus only, nothing more than that, working in that. Syllabus we have to complete, as well as we are giving them the new opportunity to understand, to learn the thing. We have already prepared some labs where there's so many technologies they can work on, and some teacher we are hiring, and that teacher is expertise in some technologies. They are showing that expertise to the students. So for what the benefits students are getting, they are getting the syllabus portion where they can prove themselves, they can get the good numbers. But only not that one, also they are getting the knowledge of the market, and they are getting the practice they are doing, by which when any company coming, then at that time when they're sitting for the interview, and at that time they are coming to know that, coming across the point that these students is really good, because these students is capable of saying whatever is going on the market, and they can understood very easily what is happening in the market. So they can catch it out very fast, and they can work in any company, they can adjust themselves very fast.
Right, sir. So, sir, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for Sanghavi College of Engineering specifically?
Highest challenges, sometimes what is happening, so some students, most of the students, I will say that they are looking into the campus. So we will say never look into the campus, look into the staffs, what they are doing, what they are teaching. That is the main part we should know. But now where the challenge is that some students, they are only just seeing the campus. They are comparing with the IITs, they are comparing with the very big organizations. But it may be possible in small box, sometimes it is coming with the valuable things. So it is not like that. It may be our organization is not too big like IIT, but still now we have that much of capability, that much of strength we have, where we can make the students. So those where the students is coming from here, and they are coming from this college, and they are leaving for this college for the company. So after that, they are really getting to know when they are coming to the field, so really what we already learned from the college. Really, we are happy. So many students are connecting with me. They are saying especially, and they are giving the feedback to the college. Really, we are happy. So because we did not look into the campus, we are looking into the college. So what they are teaching exactly, what we are learning from them. But this is not the meaning that where campus is not big. Yes, it is really big, and every day, they are improving themselves. And I'm happy that I am working over here.
Right, sir. So, sir, do you have any extracurricular activities and program to enhance the skills of the students or face them to the real world challenges?
Yes, we already told you that. So I already told you that we are not just following the syllabus. We already doing some extra projects we are giving to the students. So where they can come with some groups, we are making the groups of the students. So each and every group, they are thinking about the college in real life challenge, real life problems, what is needed for our college. Sometimes you don't need to go for the big project, don't need to go for the big program, big softwares. Think about the small projects which is needed for our college. It may be possible you have to store the students' information for ERP system of our college. Some parts you can develop yourself. It is also okay for me. So every students, by keeping their group and doing in that group, in unity they are working, and they are showing the solutions for different fields. And some mentors are there for each and every group. So the mentors them each and every time. So if they are facing any problem, at that time they are coming to that mentor, and mentor is guiding them to what to do and what should be done in that project, by which it will be applicable, it will be useful to our college. So that type of thing we are doing every time.
Right, sir. So, sir, my last question is, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Only I will say that you don't know anything, it is not your problem. You don't have any intention to learn, that will be your problem. So when you are coming to the, suppose, diploma to engineering or engineering to higher study or any field, if you don't know anything, but that's not the factor that you should be very fear about that. But you should try to learn that one. You should have the intention to learn that one. You have to catch it out. You can do. So I will say, if you don't know anything, don't bother about that. But you try to learn what is going to happen. You face the challenges. Don't leave the challenges.
Right, sir. So thank you so much, sir. This was an insightful session. Thank you, sir, for giving us your time.
Thank you. Thank you for arranging this type of very beautiful presentations. So where I can show me our college, what is going on in our college. So really, I'll be happy that these students will understand and come to our college in the next few years. I think our college should be the top of the one of the top colleges. I should say one of the top colleges, not the top, one of the top colleges. So really, I'll be happy, and thanks to you also for arranging this thing. Thank you.